guys, in today's Halloween video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this really cool Venus flytrap pumpkin candy holder. If you're new to my channel, Jelly Beans, please subscribe for more fun videos like this, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so this way you will never miss any of my latest videos. Remember that I have a giveaway still going on, and I am giving away a bunch of prizes. If you want to enter to win, you just need to be a subscriber. I'm going to leave all the details down below. Okay, so like I said before, this candy holder is pretty easy and fun to make, and I'm just going to show you the simple materials. You will need a tree branch, an empty plant pot. You can buy an inexpensive one or just recycle one you already have at home. Spray foam insulation, a craft foam pumpkin, an artificial sunflower, some plant moss, green spray paint, and some acrylic paint in green, pink, and white. First, we're going to get our plant pot ready by filling it halfway with the insulation spray, which is really very easy to use. Insulation spray expands, so it will rise all the way to the top of the pot once it hardens. Then, take your pumpkin and draw out the mouth of the Venus flytrap. Just a simple diagram of a half circle repeating itself. An important tip to remember is to lay your pumpkin sideways so the stem is in the back of the head. And now, very carefully, cut it out with a pumpkin carver, craft knife, or hot knife. And now for the fun! It's time to spray paint. And remember to use a mask and gloves when you're spraying. Once dry, take some pink acrylic paint to paint the inside of the mouth. And some white acrylic paint for the teeth. And you can use green acrylic paint to add more definition, like the lips, if you would like. Carve out a small hole in the stem, and this is where you will insert your branch. Now secure it in place with some hot glue, and just be careful not to burn your fingers. Now you can take your sunflower and remove the leaves and the flower from the stem. You will only need the base of the flower and the leaves. Cut the base to wrap around the pumpkin stem. Next, glue on the leaves to the tips of any branches. And now, place your plant right into the hardened insulation foam. And secure again with some hot glue. Add some plant moss to the base, and that's it! You're done! It's time to feed our cute Venus flytrap plant with some yummy Halloween candy. This is a pretty quick and easy DIY to make, and so much fun. And with Halloween right around the corner, trick-or-treaters will love this. I really hope you like this DIY, guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!